Hey guys, how's everyone doing today? So I just picked up something very cheap and basic, but a nice little design. I got these little covers here. You can check these out. I got 3 different ones. One says, they say do not flash, consult owner. Basically, if you can tell what this is, it's just a cover that will cover the OBD2 port that's under the dash. It's just a plastic cap. Like I said, it's very simple, but I think a good idea that can actually avoid issues. So let me show you exactly how these fit in there. Like I said, for a piece of plastic, they're very useful. So I'll show you in this car where the OBD2 port is located. Most cars are basically the same. They're under the dash. It just snaps in, but on this car, it's over here on the left-hand side. See that right there with the prongs? And these caps will only fit one way. So if you try one way, it doesn't fit, just flip it over. So basically all you do is push it on there. And it should go in pretty easy too. So there you go. Just a nice cap. And you might be thinking, why would you want to do that? Well, if say you're detailing your car, and instead of spraying like a protectant on the rag, you spray it on the panel, like this kick panel right here, and you get too much moisture inside that port, it can really mess things up because it is open, has open contacts inside. So if you spray, like overspray and it goes in there, that's everything in your car is linked through there. So this cap will easily just cover it up. Very basic design. I don't like seeing things exposed like that. Like I said, especially that are that important. Just in case. Like I try to spray protectant on a rag and then wipe the plastic. But if you're spraying it and a lot goes in there, more than likely it won't damage it, but there's a chance that it can sit up there. And then if you don't wipe the moisture out, it can corrode as well. So like I said, very cheap part. I always just keep it covered up. And then if I take it to the dealer, I'll remove it. Just so they don't think you altered something or anything like that. Just don't give them any reason to complain that something that you did damaged the car. So if you like these, check on eBay. Just search up OBD2 port cover and you'll see different sellers with these. Like I said, they're really cheap, but it's a good idea. Just something to take that precaution to avoid some issues in the future. So I hope everyone's doing good, staying safe. I appreciate it. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Take care, everybody.